Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Cardano. I gave you this setup on my Telegram group. Guys, this is your last chance to join our Telegram group for free because in just a few days, it's going paid. But if you join now, you will lock in lifetime access for free. This is one of the fastest growing crypto communities on YouTube where you can scan the market daily. There are thousands and thousands of altcoins out there. So being able to see what altcoins other top traders are watching every single day is very, very important. So hit the link in the description below, join now, and become part of our community. We had a very nice triangle pattern going on. And I told you, by the breakout, either the price action breaks to the upside or to the downside. But I stated clearly that this pattern has a very high chance of breaking to the downside because the price action entered the pattern from this top left side. And therefore, this could potentially be a bearish continuation pattern. As you see here, what happened was we had this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The price action got rejected here, again, another rejection, and the price action tried to break above this, but it struggled. And the breakout wasn't strong, the breakout was weak. And how do you identify that the breakout is weak, guys? You look at the volume. There is no volume here, guys. This is a clear indication that this breakout is not a strong breakout. So the price action pulled back and it started moving inside this pattern again. Came down here and tested this lower ascending yellow trend line that had been acting as support. As you see, the price action bounced here multiple times, but the price action ended up breaking below it. We had a bearish retest and a continuation move to the downside. Now I have a new pattern here for you. Look at this. We have a falling wedge pattern. As you see, we have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a bounce here, another bounce, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also, we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The price action got rejected here, another rejection, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. So, that has been moving inside this pattern downtrending, right? As long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. As you see, the price action is currently testing this upper resistance trend line. And therefore, if we see a pullback in the coming hours and the price action starts moving inside the pattern again, I expect to see the downtrend to continue. So the price action is going to get rejected and it's going to start moving inside the pattern again, and the downtrend is going to continue. But if the price action holds strong and stays above this upper resistance trend, we might be looking at a breakout. What I really want to see when this breakout occurs is high volume, which I don't see at the moment. If we see a breakout, this can potentially be the beginning of a change of trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. During a downtrend, the price action has been putting lower lows and lower highs. This is the definition of a downtrend. But after the breakout, the price action is going to start putting higher lows, very bullish idea, and higher highs. That's what we really want to see out of ADA in the coming hours or days in order for this bullish idea to play out. If the price action gets rejected, I am watching to see if we are going to get a bounce at this key level of support that I have here on the chart that's located at 63 cents. We might see some kind of a double bottom idea before the real breakout occurs. Anyway, this is a falling wedge pattern, and therefore it has a very high chance of breaking to the upside, a 65 to 70% chance to be exact. So I expect the price action to break above this sooner or later. Either we get rejected here or we see a very nice breakout in the coming hours. I have a few targets here for you. The first target is located at 69 cents, 0.6922. From the current price levels, the measured move to this target is a 5% move. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at 75 cents, 0.7588. The measured move from the current price levels is approximately a 15% move. A 15% move is huge for ADA, guys, because as you see here on CoinMarketCap, Cardano has a market capitalization of over 23 billion. This is a large cap, a heavy token, and therefore it needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to move. It's not going to move easily. Of course, if the price action gets rejected here and the downtrend continues, and we see a pullback all the way down here to this key level of support that's located at 63 cents, these measured moves are going to become even greater. The measured move to the first target from a pullback to support would be approximately a 9% move. And the measured move to this last target that I have here on the chart would be approximately a 20% move. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider buying the bounce on this support while the price action is downtrending. But this is very risky because if the price action breaks below this, we might see the downtrend to continue and further downside. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, wait for a breakout to occur, and you want the breakout to be accompanied by a lot of volume. So either we see a breakout happening now or a rejection first, a double bottom idea, and then a breakout. This is a safer way to trade this. Buying the breakout is always the safer option. And also, buying the retest after the breakout is one of the safest options to trade this. For those of you who want an even more safe way to trade this, what I would do is I would wait for the price action to break out of this falling wedge, and then I would wait for the price action to break above this horizontal first resistance that I have here on the chart that's located at 69 cents. Buy the breakout above this, scale in on the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside so you can take some profits when the price action hits the last target that I have here on the chart. If you buy the breakout above this resistance, the measured move to this next target, that would be approximately a 9% move, which is not bad, right? Always make sure that you set up a stop loss, guys. If you buy the bounce of support, you can set up a stop loss right below it, just in case the price action decides to break below, so you can get stopped out, take a small loss, and move on to the next trade. If you buy the breakout, you can set up a stop loss somewhere inside the pattern, just in case the price action fakes out, which means we might see a breakout, but then the price action pulling back inside the pattern. Anything can happen in crypto, guys. That's why you gotta be ready for everything. Again, if you buy the breakout above this resistance, make sure that you set up a stop loss right below it, just in case you see a fake out again. That's all I had for you today. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for ADA for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish? I really want to know what you guys think. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.